In this video, I am going to show you how to change your starting point or destination in Google Map. If you are using Google Map, this video is going to be very helpful for you. By watching this video, you will learn how to change your starting point or destination in Google Map app. Let's start the video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please subscribe the channel. By default, your starting point is your location. To change where you start and where you are going, follow the steps on your phone or tablet. Open the Google Map app. Search for your destination or tap it on the map. To edit your starting point, at the top of the screen, tap your location and choose your starting point. To end your ending point, tap what's listed in the destination box. Tap Preview. That was our today's video. Hope you like this. Please subscribe our channel and get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.